Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. This is a quick video. I want to talk about two trades that I did today and why I did them. These are the earnings coming up this week. I got it on Twitter, so it must be true. And I'm looking for the banks. Looking at this week, we have earnings season starting. And it looks like Wednesday we have a lot of reporting on the banks. Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan on Tuesday. Morgan Stanley and Bancorp on Thursday. Charles Schwab and First Horizon on Friday. So I thought it would be a good time to do a ETF, make a play on that, and I was going to do XLF, which is a highly traded financial ETF. Looking at it in TradingView, and this is the zigzag, and their job of a swing trader is to catch these swings. And this is the zigzag. It looks to the future. Right now, as of right here, it doesn't know what it's doing. But if we used the MACD or the stochastics or the RSI, we could have predicted this move. The MACD, again, is below the zero, and it's saying go up. The stochastics, RSI says go up. And 2 days ago, the RSI said go up. So this morning, I put a trade at 36. I sold a put, sold a put, so that's basically saying that I am bullish at 36, and so from now till August 20th, as long as if the price stays above 36, I will win. If not, I'll be forced to buy 100 shares of this ETF at $36. And that's okay at the moment because it's trading at 37, so I'll be getting it at a bargain. The only problem that would be is if this price suddenly goes down to 34. I'd be required to buy it at 36 for a $2 loss per share. But because of the earnings, and I think the bank stocks earnings will be good, I believe I'm only going to be in this trade 1 or 2 days. And this ETF will come up 38, 39, and I'll sell it, exit the position at a profit. TradingView. It's free, 3 indicators. If you want more, you have to pay. 3's enough to get started. 36 put, selling. Now, I've been playing with a new tool on Options XLF. And basically, is you're allowed to build, and in this case, I want to sell a short put for July 30th, and I want to do at below what it's currently trading, because it's currently trading at 37, so 36. That's 36.50. Let's go down to 36. And this is what I did. And I'm going to sell it for August 20th, and I'm going to receive a credit into my account for $53. And at the time I did this, the margin was around $500. And if all goes well, I'll win 53. And if it's not, I'm going to be required to buy the stock, and I'm going to be required to have that much cash. But I'm going to be out of this trade long before that, I think. This tool here in the Options Strat allows you to build different kind of configurations, and it's really, really kind of neat. And then you can take this and transfer and do this on Robinhood, Webull, and in my case, I did it on Interactive Broker. The next stock is NRZ. It's a residential investment company. And what I did was, these are basically pointing up in positive, and the zigzag doesn't know what it's doing in positive. But I'm not too hepped up about real estate at the moment. And so what I said was, I'll put the trade on, and as long as the stock stays above 10, I placed the trade at 10. And what I did was I sold a call and sold a $10 put, and then bought protection at 8. I want to be out of this play by earnings, and bought a call at 12, very cheap. The reason why it was so cheap, and bought a put down here, the reason why they were so cheap is that most people don't think it'll ever get down there. Sold, I put in a call for credit, and then bought protection. So as long as this price stays in between here till August 20th, I'm going to win. But I'm going to probably only be in this trade for about 8 days till earnings. And there may be a slight earnings rise, and who knows, with this economy, there might be a drop. But as long as this stock price stays in between this range, I'm going to win some money. Now let's see what I got for it. going to the tool and typing your stock name, NRZ, choosing our strategy, Iron Butterfly, and there is your two $10 calls, and it says 8 and 12, and that appears to what I did, okay? And you see it's $37 credit, but this is for the 16th, and so I moved this up to the August. And this trade is rather nice because I'm receiving $74 in credit, and the max loss is $126. And as the time goes along, this is 10, the things work it out. As long as this stock hangs in around 10, you'll see that I'm going to get most of my money, the $74, if it's around the $10 range. But if the stock closes at 10.46 or 10.40, 10.52, I'll get around 40 bucks. So I'm going to close this thing in around $25 profit in this area here. We'll see. Credit of 74, max loss of 126. Just to see how it goes. For the next couple days, I don't want this stock to move. So in conclusion, I did 2 trades. They were option plays, and I wanted to show you this new tool, Options Strat, that you can play around with some kind of the various different scenarios and try things, and then transfer them to your account. Kind of slick. It's a simulator. 2 trades, NRZ, to stay in a way deep range, and it looked like it's never gotten there. So we'll see. And XLF to go up based on earnings this week. That's all I have for you. Do your own due diligence. This is an introduction to options. Take a look at selling puts and iron condors and iron butterflies. There's lots of videos out there. Start studying up on it. It's just another tool in your toolkit on swing trading. Don't take advice from this guy. Do your own due diligence. In fact, don't take advice from anybody on the internet. But you can learn from those people, and you can learn from their strategy. Happy trading. Catch you on the flip.